Up until now, we have been dividing complex numbers by real numbers and by I. Those were warm-ups. Now, we tackle the real challenge, dividing a complex number by another complex number. And to do that, we need one new idea, the conjugate. What is a conjugate? The conjugate of a complex number is simple. You keep the real part exactly the same. You flip the sign of the imaginary part. If your number is a plus bi, its conjugate is a minus bi. If your number is a minus bi, its conjugate is a plus bi. Examples: the conjugate of 3 plus 2i is 3 minus 2i. The conjugate of 5 minus 4i is 5 plus 4i. The conjugate of 1 plus 7i is 1 minus 7i. Just flip the sign in the middle. That is all. Why do we need the conjugate? Here is the key property that makes everything work. When you multiply a complex number by its conjugate, the result is always a real number. No I, no imaginary part. Watch, a plus bi, a minus bi, equals a squared minus abi plus abi minus b squared. I squared equals a squared minus b squared times -1 equals a squared plus b squared. The imaginary terms cancel out perfectly, every single time. So if we have I in the denominator and we want to get rid of it, we multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. The denominator becomes a real number, then we can simplify normally. Our problem: 3 plus 2i, all divided by 1 minus I. Step 1. Find the conjugate of the denominator. The denominator is 1 minus I. Its conjugate is 1 plus I. We just flipped the sign. Step 2. Multiply top and bottom by the conjugate. We multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus I. This does not change the value of the fraction. We are multiplying by 1. 3 plus 2i, 1 plus I, times 1 minus I, 1 plus I. Step 3. Expand the denominator, 1 minus I, 1 plus I, equals 1 squared, plus 1 squared, equals 1 plus 1, equals 2. The denominator is now 2, a real number, no I. Step 4. Expand the numerator, 3 plus 2i, 1 plus I, equals 3, 1, plus 3i, plus 2i, 1, plus 2i, equals 3 plus 3, I plus 2i, plus 2i squared, equals 3 plus 5, I plus 2 minus 1, equals 3 plus 5, I minus 2 equals 1 plus 5. Step 5. Write the fraction, 1 plus 5, I2. Step 6. Split and simplify. 1 5, I2, 2. Real part. 1 half. Imaginary part. 5 halves. Final answer, 1 half plus 5 halves I.